Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Marvin D. Kumbanwa. I'm the 6th reporter of the Group 12. This is my topic, the Article 155, libel by means of writing or similar means. Libel is a public and malicious statement that damage another person's reputation through writing or other permanent forms of communication. So, kaning article is ito siya pagdaot sa tao through writing. Through writing, printing, radio, television, social media posts, painting, similar different forms of communication. So, penalty niya is prison functional. Its minimum medium periods approximately 6 months and 1 day to 4 years and 2 months. Next.
Ayan, pag next slide.
Traits and libel mistakes communication. Communication contains both assault and threats. The main offense may be threats rather than libel. So, mas mag-ibang kanina na kanang through writing. Kung siya kauban na mga insult, writing ang insult mo. Kataot siya sa tao. Next. The penalty depends on the nature of the threats. The grave threats may result in imprisonment and or fines under the domestic code. So, gawin nga panihan na may mga penalty. Then, the various statements may no longer be treated as a separate offense if absorbed by the threats. Next is the Article 356, threatening to publish libel, blackmail. Article 256 punishes blackmail for the act of the threatening to expose embarrassing information unless money or some benefit is given. So, kanang article diay is katuto siya, isang pinili siya is kanang nakita niya ang mga ayaw, hindi siya i-post sa social media para maka-link ka o sana exchange sa money. Yung penalty is arresto mayor, 1 month and 1 day to 6 months or a fine ranging from 200 pesos to 2,000 pesos under the old law or both imprisonment fine. Kung siya imprisonment, kung siya na ako siya fine. Next. The next is Article 357, the identification of private facts. Drug law. Article 357 protects a person's private life from unnecessary public exposure by the media. So, kung siya is the law punishes reporters, editors, or managers who publish offensive private facts about another person, even if those facts were mentioned during court or executive proceedings. The purpose is to protect personal honor, dignity, so pwede punish ang mga editors, mga manager, mga reporters, kung ilang i-publish nung nakadakot sa usa ka tawo. So, ang penalty niya is penalty under Article 357 is arresto mayor, 1 month to 1 day to 6 months, or a fine ranging from 200 to 2,000 pesos, or both imprisonment and fine. So, kumawas na sa kanina. Thank you.
Bravo.